Here I ordered from AliExpress very cheap one. Hope that I can, for at the moment I did order, I hoped that I can use this battery in this case, but I was wrong. But fortunately I can use small battery inside the earphone themselves. So now I'm trying to change. So I extract an old one, lithium battery, and now I'm going to install from that one. Yeah, I take it from this. Actually, when when I measure on those pin, the voltage will be 5 volts. But when I put here and try to measure voltage in those places, it will no 5 volts. So in this earphone I have a little problem in the contact. I don't know where. It's so cheap and the quality of the music inside it's so bad. I don't care. It will be my donor.